Good morning one and all. In this session we will have an introduction with TCP/IP protocol suite and its comparison with OSI reference model that we have studied earlier. So this presentation mainly focuses on some comparison between two major reference models which use the concept of protocol layering. One which we have already studied, that is nothing but Open System Interconnection Reference Model, that is nothing but OSI, along with the one which newly we are introducing it over here, that is nothing but the TCP/IP protocol suite. The TCP/IP protocol suite was developed prior to OSI model. Therefore, the layers in the TCP/IP protocol suite do not match exactly with those in the OSI model. The original TCP/IP protocol suite was defined as 4 software layers built up on the top of the hardware layer. But today, however, TCP/IP is thought of as a 5-layer model. When we typically compare the two models, as you can see it over here, we find that 2 layers, session and presentation, 2 layers from the OSI model, that is nothing but the session and presentation, are missing in the TCP/IP protocol suite. These 2 layers were not added to the TCP/IP protocol suite after the publication of OSI model. The application layer in the TCP/IP protocol suite is usually considered to be the combination of all these 3 layers, that is session, presentation and application layer, from the basic OSI reference model. There are 2 reasons behind this decision. The first and foremost important reason is that TCP/IP has more than one transport layer protocols, namely TCP along with the UDP, that is nothing but transmission control protocol, as well as the user datagram protocol. Some of the functionalities of the session layer are also available in the transport layer protocols in TCP/IP protocol suite, so that you can observe it over here, the line of separation as far as comparison between OSI layer and TCP/IP model is concerned. Session layer of the OSI layer model, its functionality as far as the TCP/IP layer functionality is concerned, is being divided some part into the application layer and partially into the transport layer. The fact that this particular thing highlights the fact that some of the functionalities of the session layer of the OSI model are available in some of the transport layer protocols. The second important reason is that the application layer is not only one piece of software. Many applications can be developed at this layer in TCP/IP model. If some of the functionalities mentioned in the session and presentation are needed for a particular application, those can be included in development of piece of software as far as the TCP/IP model is concerned. So basically the TCP/IP model is consisting of network access layer, internet layer, transport layer and application layer from the traditional perspective, on the build on the top of the hardware devices over there. And nowadays this being typically considered with the 5-layer model architecture in the form of physical layer, network access layer, internet layer or internetwork layer, transport layer and the application layer over there. Next important point we must take into account is nothing but hierarchical nature associated with TCP/IP protocol suite. So TCP/IP is a hierarchical protocol made up of interactive modules, each of which provides a specific functionality, but the modules are not necessarily interdependent, whereas the OSI model specifies which functions belong to each of its layers. The layers of TCP/IP protocol suite contain relatively independent protocols that can be mixed and matched depending on the needs of the system. The term hierarchical means that each of upper layer protocol is supported by one or more lower layer protocols. I hope you might have understood this. Thank you for today's session. Thanks a lot.